Okay guys, so we're down here at the main beach and I just got dropped off a few minutes ago. And yeah, just gonna meet up with my mate Artie here and then we're gonna go get the day started, you know. Right here's where the day starts really. Alright guys, so we're out here at Ross Creek, just working some lures, and we've got Artie over here and Austin, and yeah, just working the lures. Hopefully we'll get something, maybe a flat, and yeah, we'll be back shortly. Yeah, Austin's falling. Having a bit of a swim, and yeah, I've tried the soft plastics, tried lures, everything. We're gonna try this, and yeah, we're not having too much luck yet, having big bites, but yeah, I think we'll get something when the tide goes down soon. So here's this little cart here from in the water, and yeah, here's Artie. Look at his lures, and yeah, so we're just working our lures here, getting them going. Really hard to do with one hand. So yeah, see you guys soon. Hopefully I'll catch something. Might even get a video of a hook on, hopefully. Got my hand spear here. He's gonna snorkel around, maybe catch something. Be better. We haven't caught anything all afternoon, so well, actually all morning, and it's like afternoon now. Let's go. Yeah, go on. Diving in. Is it cold?
Let's go for a swim already in there.
Yeah, but are you gonna do it?
Didn't catch any fish.
Awesome, go! Play with the sharks, bro! And the stingrays, have fun with them! Yeah! He's gonna run off and jump off here. Or walk. Are you contemplating it?
I haven't even checked the freaking depth of it either.
He hasn't checked the depth, so he might hit the sharp rocks. It's stingrays. That looks pretty deep. Is it deep? It looks pretty deep. Here's like a little drop off here, that's how far he went. Is it good?
Nice.
Yeah? We're heading down to the bridge. Stop there. Probably gonna jump off it. Artie might do some backflips, hey?
Pretty much, bro.
Yeah, pretty much. And yeah, now I gotta pack the sand spear up. Didn't even use it. And yeah,
Have a swim with the jellies.
yeah. Yeah, he's just gonna introduce himself.
My name's Artie Udini from Rockhampton, Queensland, Australia. Yeah.
No, yeah, he's gonna jump off this. And yeah, let's get to it. He's gonna jump, first attempt.
A teacher speaks but knows that there really are no lessons.
Nice. Backflip into it. Now here he is. Now it's Austin's go. Nah, he doesn't want to do it. Here's, we're gonna interview him. How was it?
It was freaking great, gnarly. Loved it. Do this every time I come past this bridge. Yep.
And yeah, so we're gonna continue this, and then later on when the tide starts going down, we're gonna go back to fishing and hopefully actually catch something. Yeah. Might even possibly do some snorkeling here. Not too sure. It's looking pretty messy. some local art. Right, we got a old house, all like taped off. Probably asbestos, who knows? I have no clue.
There's probably bugs in there, bro.
Yeah, probably. And then there's the view, this hill that we had to walk up, and we haven't finished yet. Guys, so we're up higher, and here's the view, and down at the city there, Yeppoon. And yeah, keep going. So we're walking to a secret spot apparently, and
Yeah, film crew now.
actually catch something. Alright guys, so we got the first catch of the day. It ain't much, but we're gonna call it. Yeah, hopefully we can catch some.
Alright, Philly, let's do it. So what we're doing here is trying to spear a little cod we just found.
Where is it?
That's the one.
Maybe I think I may have just pushed it into the rocks. I feel something soft right here. Oh, there it is, there it is.
Get him, bro.
We're born
Crap. Oh, I don't want to be.
a stranger to ourselves.
Yeah, there we go.
Got him!
There we go. Second fish for today, mate.
You let the other one go, but you can't let this one go. It's weird. Alright guys, so we're still out here on a grind. We've got 2 cod so far. Might just hooked onto a snag. And yeah. You right there, Elsie? Alright, Austin's crossing the road here. In pain. Here we are getting some fish and chips for us. And yeah, today's been a pretty good day, although we actually really didn't catch much apart from
Yeah, we
2
did. We caught some barramundi.
Yeah, we caught a bunch of barramundi, but they're just on the side, so we decided to let them go.
Yeah.
But we're like a cowboy now. Anyway, yeah, day's pretty much over, so yeah. Guys, so we're out here walking back to Artie's.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good
cut
day.
Up the barramundis.
Yeah, all that stuff, and get that gutted and cooked.
Yeah, and then we're out for another big day on the waters tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tide's looking good, high tide in the morning. Same deal, straight down to Ross Creek. And then once the tide goes
just
down, we're gonna
munging
head
out
back
on
to
some
the rock.
chips and yeah.
You know.